Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Math grade 6. Today we want to do revise for chapter 10, multiply and divide fractions. Chapter 10, multiply and divide fractions. The first example here, the first question, multiply. As you see here, we have 4 multiplied by 3 over 5. Here we have whole number, here we have fraction. How to multiply whole number by fraction? The first step, change from the whole number to the fraction. How? Put the denominator 1. So I can write here 4 over 1. 4 over 1. Multiply by 3 over 5. Now as you see, we have two fractions here. How to multiply two fractions? Multiply numerator by numerator. 4 times 3 will be 12. Then denominator by denominator, 1 times 5 will be 5. This is the answer as a fraction. Always when you have the numerator greater than denominator, we can write this fraction as mixed number. How? Do long division. Right here, divide net 12 and the divisor here will be 5. 12 divided by 5, which number times 5 equal 12 or less than 12, close to 12, will be 2. 2 times 5 will be 10. Now 2 minus 0, 2, 1 minus 1, 0. So the answer will be 2. And put the remainder here up. And the same divisor here. So this is the answer as a fraction, and this is the answer as a mixed number. The second exercise, also here we have multiply. As you see here, we have 2 over 7 multiplied by 9. 2 over 7 fraction and 9 whole number. So the first step, change the whole number to the fraction. So I can write 2 over 7 multiply by 9 and with the denominator here 1. Now we have two fractions. How to multiply two fractions? Numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 2 multiplied by 9 will be 18, and 7 multiplied by 1 will be 7. Now the answer as a fraction, 18 over 7, and I can change this answer to mixed number because the numerator here greater than the denominator. How? Use long division. Here 18, here 7. Now which number times 7 equal 18? 2 times 7 will be 14, 3 times 7 will be 21. So the suitable number, use 2. 2 times 7 will be 14. Now 8 minus 4 will be 4, 1 minus 1 will be 0. So the whole number here, the quotient here, the whole number, and the remainder, the numerator, and the divisor here, the denominator. So the answer as a mixed number, I can write 2 and 4 over 7. In this example here, we have whole number multiplied by fraction. Also change the whole number to the fraction. I can write 5 over 1 multiply by 2 over 3. Then 5 times 2 will be 10, and 1 multiplied by 3 will be 3. So I can change here to the mixed number. Which number times 3 equal 10 or smaller than 10, less to the 10? 3, because 3 times 3 will be 9. 10 minus 9 will be 1. So the quotient here, the whole number, and the remainder here will be the numerator, and the divisor here will be the denominator. So this is as a mixed number. Here we have a fraction times a fraction. I can directly write 3 times 1 will be 3, 4 times 3 will be 12. Here I cannot write this fraction as a mixed number because the numerator here is smaller than the denominator, but I can do here simplest form. The GCF between 3 and 12 will be 3. So here I can write divide by 3, divide by 3. So I can write here the answer. 3 divided by 3 will be 1, 12 divided by 3 will be 4. So the answer will be 1 over 4. 1 over 4. In this example, we have mixed number multiplied by mixed number. The first step is a change from mixed number to the fraction. How? 3 multiplied by 5 will be 15. 15 plus 3 will be 18 over 5. Multiply by, also here a change to fraction. 2 multiplied by 9 will be 18. 18 plus 2 will be 20 over 9. Now we have two fractions here. You can multiply numerator by numerator. 18 multiply 20. 2 times 18 will be 36. And here we have 0, add the 0. So the answer will be 360. And here 5 times 9 will be 45. Will be 45. Here we can do simplest form. We can do divide by 5. Divide by 5. 360 divided by 5 will be 72. And here will be 9. Now 72 divided by 9. 72 divided by 9 will be 8. Will be 8. Also here we have mixed number multiplied by mixed number. So change to the fraction. 5 times 6 will be 30. 30 plus 5 will be 35 over 6. Multiply by 4 times 2 will be 8. 8 plus 1 will be 9 over 2. Now we want to multiply 9 times 35. 9 times 5 will be 45. 9 times 3 will be 27. 27 plus 4 will be 31. So here we have 315. And 2 times 6 will be 12. No simplest form here because the GCF between them will be 1. But here I can change from fraction to the mixed number. How? Do long division. Here we have 2 digits, so take here 2 digits. 31. Which number times 12 will be 31? 2 times 12 will be 24. 3 times 12 will be 36. So the suitable number 2. 2 times 12 will be 24. Minus. So here 1 minus 4, impossible. Power 1. Here will be 2. Here will be 11. Now 11 minus 4 will be 7. And here 0. Then drop 5. 75. Now 75 divided by 12. Which number times 12 equals 75 or less than? 6 times 12. 6 times 12 will be 72. Will be 72. The nearest number. Now 5 minus 2 will be 3. 7 minus 7 will be 0. Now this is the quotient. The quotient here will be the whole number 26. And 3, the remainder, will be the numerator. And the divisor here 12 will be the denominator. And here I can do simplest form. Here divide by 3 and here divide by 3. So we can write 26 and 3 divided by 3 will be 1, 12 divided by 3 will be 4. So the last answer here will be 26 and 1 over 4. Now the second idea, divide. Here we have a 3 divided by 1 over 4. We have whole number divided by fraction. The first step, change from the whole number to the fractions. So I can write 3 over 1 divide by 1 over 4. Here we have, for easy way, we have rule. Keep, change, then flip. What's the meaning of this rule? Keep the first fraction. Keep the first fraction. So 3 over 1. Change from divide to the multiply. Change from divide to the multiply. Flip. What's the meaning of flip? Switch. Put the denominator up and the numerator down. Take 4 up and 1 down. So we can write now 3 multiplied by 4 will be 12 and 1 multiplied by 1 will be 1. 12 over 1 means 12. So the answer here will be what? Will be 12. The example here we have fraction divide by whole number. Also a change from whole number to the fraction. So we can write here 1 over 2 divide by, and change 3 to the fraction, we can write 3 over 1. 3 over 1. Then use the rule. The rule said keep, then change, then flip. Keep means the first fraction write as the same fraction. Then change from divide to multiply. Then flip. Flip means switch between denominator and numerator. Put a denominator up and numerator down. So now we can write 1 times 1 will be 1, 2 times 3 will be 6. So this is the answer, 1 over 6. 1 over 6. The example here we have fraction divide by fraction. We can here directly to apply to use the rule. Keep means we can write the first fraction the same fraction. Then change from divide to multiply. Then flip. Put 7 up and 3 down. Now you have multiply. 2 times 7 will be 14. 5 times 3 will be 15. This is them simplified. This is simplified. We cannot do here simplest form. Okay. The example here we have 1 and 3 over 5 divide by 2. We have mixed number divide by whole number. The first step, change the mixed number to the fraction, then change the whole number to the fraction. How? 1 times 5 will be 5. 1 times 5 will be 5. 5 plus 3 will be 8 over 5. Divide by 2 over 1. Then now you have a fraction divide by fraction. Use the rule. Keep 8 over 5. Then change, then flip. Now 8 times 1 will be 8, 5 times 2 will be 10. Do simplest form. The GCF here will be 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. So I can write 8 divided by 2 will be 4, and 10 divided by 2 will be 5. The example here we have whole number divided by mixed number. Change from the whole number to the fraction. We can write 3 over 1 divide by, then here change from mixed number to the fraction. 2 times 5 will be 10, 10 plus 3 will be 13 over 5. Then use the rule, keep, change, then flip. So we can write now 3 times 5 will be 15, 1 times 13 will be 13. Here I can write this fraction as mixed number because numerator greater than denominator. How? Use long division. Divided here 15 and the divisor here. 15 divided by 13 will be 1. 1 times 13, 13. 5 minus 3 will be 2, and 1 minus 1 will be 0. The quotient here the whole number. The remainder here will be the numerator, and the divisor here will be the denominator. So 1 and 2 over 13. 1 and 2 over 13. Here we have mixed number divided by fraction. The first step, change from mixed number to the fraction. So I can write 3 times 3 will be 9. 9 plus 1 will be 10 over 3. Divide by 1 over 4. Now we have fraction divide by fraction. Use the rule. Keep, change, flip. 10 times 4 will be 40. 3 times 1 will be 3. Here I can change from fraction to mixed number because the numerator greater than the denominator. Use long division here. This is 40 and this is 3. 4 divided by 3 will be 1. 1 times 3 will be 3. 4 minus 3 will be 1. Drop 0. We have 10. 10 divided by 3 will be 3. 3 times 3 will be 9. 10 minus 9 will be 1. Now the quotient here, the whole number 13, and the remainder here will be the numerator, and divisor here will be the denominator. So the answer 13 and 1 over 3. The answer 13 and 1 over 3. The example here, we have a fraction divide mixed number. Change the mixed number to the fraction. So I can write here 2 over 5 divide by 1 times 2 will be 2. 2 plus 1 will be 3 over 2. Now we have fraction divide by fraction. Use the rule. Keep, change, flip. Now 2 times 2 will be 4. 5 times 3 will be 15. So here the last answer, 4 over 15. The last example here, we have mixed number divide by mixed number. The first step, change from mixed number to the fraction. 5 times 6, 30. 30 plus 1, 31 over 6. And here 3 times 3 will be 9. 9 plus 2 will be 11 over 3. Then use the rule. Keep, change, flip. Now 3 times 31 or 31 times 3. So this is 31, this is 3. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 3 will be 9. So here we have 93. Or I can do it mentally. 3 times 1 will be 3, 3 times 3 will be 9, no problem. 6 times 11 will be 66. I can simplify this form. Divide by 3, divide by 3. So here we have 31, and here we have 22. 66 divided by 3 will be 22. Now 31 over 22, I can change this form to the mixed number, use long division. (31) divided by 22 will be 1. 1 times 22, 22. Then do minus 1 minus 2, impossible. Borrow 1 from here. Here will be 2, and here will be 11. 11 minus 2 will be 9, and 2 minus 2 will be 0. The quotient here 1 means the whole number. The remainder down means the numerator. And the divisor here 22, the denominator. So the answer will be 1 and 9 over 22. So this is our lesson. We revised how to multiply whole number by fraction, how to multiply fraction by whole number, how to multiply fraction by fraction, mixed number by mixed number, then how to divide whole number by fraction, and how to divide fraction by whole number, how to divide fraction by fraction, and how to divide mixed number by whole number, how to divide whole number by mixed number, how to divide mixed number by fraction, and how to divide fraction by mixed number, and how to divide mixed number by mixed number. Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.